Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video, I am going to unbox Estée Lauder Blockbuster 2022. So here is this one. So every year during this holiday season, all the big cosmetic companies comes up with this kind of blockbusters, which means they put their all the iconic and most popular products in one box. So Estee Lauder is one of them. So we can see what Estee Lauder put in these blockbusters. So here we are getting a one Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, one full-size mascara, 2 lipstick, 1 cheek palette, and 1 eyeshadow palettes, the iconic serum, 1 in travel size, and 1 cream, and 1 in travel size. And the most beautiful thing is a makeup case. Before I open this box, I wanted to show you the product I've been using from Estee Lauder. Like, they are really game changer for my skin. So my favorite 2 products from Estee Lauder are, one is this serum. Like, this serum is, I don't have words to explain. Like, I really love this serum, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. And the other one, the cream, the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. Here you can see this cream, and these 2 products are my favorite product from the Estee Lauder. And you can see I almost finished this whole box, and the cream is so good, and you can see the texture of cream. Like, it's very silky, very smoothie texture and absorb very fast in the skin. And here you can see these 2 are empty containers, almost just a little bit inside. So when I'm going out, so I just put this small container in my bag, and the other one is finished. Yeah, you can see. And eye cream, like, this one is a really good eye cream for the dark circles. And 2 travel size night repair serum. Okay, so let's put them aside and unbox this beautiful box. Okay, so I really love the packaging, and look at the print on this box. It's really festival. Yeah, I really like the packaging. Yeah. Okay, so here we are getting a bag. Yeah, so you can see the color of the bag is so good, and in a red color, and design is so gorgeous. It's so cool. Yeah, I really like the bag. You can even use this bag, like when you're going out, you can put your makeup or your other stuff in one bag, and you're ready to go. And we got one handle on the top, and the zip is so cool. Look at this. As you can see, the zip got the logo. Yeah, okay. So let's see. The color of this bag is so attractive, and with golden stars. Yeah. Okay, so we can see how the things come in this box. Okay. everything is packed so well. Let's see what we are getting in this. So we are getting a full size serum. So full size serum is 30 ml and 1 plus travel size. 2 revitalizing supreme cream plus travel size and plus makeup favorites. Okay, let's open this. So we are getting a skincare plus makeup in this box. So first of all, we are getting 2 advanced night repair face serum, full size and deluxe travel size. Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream, and one is in deluxe travel size. Now it's time to open the makeup. This one looks like makeup remover. So we are getting a Estée Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover in full size 100 ml. So here are 2 palettes. You can see the packaging, so gorgeous. This one is limited edition eyeshadow palette in Rich Glam, and we are almost getting 9 eyeshadows in one palette. Next, limited edition cheek palette. You can see. So here we are getting 2 beautiful full-size lipstick. Look at the packaging. So one lipstick we are getting with red case and the other one is with whole golden case. So this one is in color Pure Color Envy 340 in VS. And how it looks like. Wow, look at this. Look at the design on the lipstick. I hope you can see. And the other one Pure Color Envy 440 Irresistible. So I guess this one is in nude color. Yeah, look at this. Look at the design, snowflakes design on the lipstick, so gorgeous. Last but not least, here is full size mascara and one lip gloss. And we are also getting a design on the lip gloss, the same design on the case. Okay, so let's try the lipsticks. So this one is color Pure Color Envy 440. And the other color is this. I really like this red color. This is so pigmented and it's giving a little bit shine in the lipstick as well. Yeah, I really like this color. I was watching the YouTube video before I buy this Blockbuster, and like the one YouTuber was saying, you can use this case cover as a mirror when you applying a lipstick, and that's really true. Yeah, when you're applying a lipstick, you don't need any mirror. You can just wash into the case cover and you can apply your lipstick when you're going for travel, or maybe if you are in your car, you don't have any mirror. Yeah, so then it's really easy to use as a mirror. You can just open it and just, yeah, you can use this lipstick. Yeah. Okay guys, so these all the products we are getting in this Blockbuster. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.